Across Facebook and Instagram, there are multiple types of ads that you can use to reach your desired target audience. These adverts include a range of photos and videos that appear in different places around the apps. Let's take a look at some of the different ad formats and discuss how to choose which ones work best for your pub. You can use a variety of ad formats on Facebook and Instagram, ranging from a single photo, like this eye-catching picture of a burger on the left, to a fast-paced video, which has to be short and entertaining, to a carousel, which is where you use a variety of different images or videos that appear as a carousel that a user has to scroll through, and you can add up to 10 slides. The other option you have is to use a slideshow. This is where Facebook will automatically put together a number of different images and display them as a slideshow or as a slideshow that you swipe through. So you've got some options. This kind of animation is incredibly eye-catching, so it can add a little bit more emphasis on your images rather than just using a single static image. When setting up your campaign using Facebook Ads Manager, you can decide on exactly where the advert is going to be placed. So there's lots of different places across Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger where you can run your ad, and it's no extra cost to run your ad in multiple different places. But remember that feeds are the most popular places to scroll, so ads do tend to perform best there. You might also want to try stories or reels if your content looks good here too. Have a think about what kind of content you have available to you first. For example, do you have some great photos that could make up a beautiful slideshow? Or do you have some eye-catching video clips of your food and drink? This is a good starting point to decide how your ads are going to look. After that, it's about testing and learning what resonates best with your audience.